Assalamualaikum students, I am your teacher from Bluebell School System and I hope you all will be fine at your homes. Dear students, it's our English literature lecture, so all of you open your English literature spring pack and notebooks. First of all, we will do the reading and then we will do the word sentences of this unit. It's our unit number 1 and the name of the unit is Pippi Longstocking. In our previous lecture, we did the reading and words meaning of this unit. Now in today's lecture we will do the word sentences and reading of this unit. I am going to start reading. "Oh sure," said Tommy and realized suddenly that this was not going to be one of those dull days. "By the way, would you come and have breakfast with me?" asked Pippi. "Why not?" said Tommy. "Come on, let's go." "Oh yes, let's," said Anika. We will do more reading in our Zoom session. Now all of you open your notebooks for word sentences. First of all, mention date and day on your notebook. Today is 13th April 2021 and the day is Tuesday. You will write your classwork like this. It's our unit number 1, Pippi's Longstocking, and word sentences. The first word is lovely. So the sentence is, the weather is lovely today. Next, summer. We enjoyed summer holidays. Then visit. I'll visit to the zoo. Then playmate. Ali is my playmate. And the last one is angel. I saw an angel in my dream. Dear students, I will further discuss it in the Zoom session. So all of you must join my Zoom session. Take care. Allah Hafiz.